If you have a faucet with where your water may be sputtering or slow water flow, a lot of times is in this end piece right here. It has a screen on it. Over time, rust builds up in here, but it's an easy fix. All you do is take some pliers, screw it off. You might can see it and you might not. See where it's starting to rust inside there? All them little tiny holes that get stopped up, and that's why you don't have good water flow. So all you do is get you a new one, good and clean. Screw it right up on out. And not to damage, put teeth marks on it. You can get you some paper or cloth or something, wrap it around now, so you can give it a good tight snug. There you have a good water flow.